Hello! We're excited to show you welcome back to day 5 of our 7-day Fluency Challenge. We've covered thinking in English, essential phrasal verbs, and power words. Today, we're focusing on something that can instantly make or break your fluency: pronunciation.
Exactly. Good pronunciation isn't just about sounding posh. It's about being understood clearly and sounding natural, which builds your confidence. We're going to dive into 6 common pronunciation mistakes that many B2 learners make.
Let's start with mistake number 1, confusing short vowel sounds with long vowel sounds.
This is super common, especially if your native language doesn't have as many distinct vowel sounds as English. For example, the difference between ship, short I, and sheep, long EE. If you say, "I saw a sheep," when you mean ship, it can cause confusion.
Short I versus long E. Did you see the ship versus did you see the sheep? Short I versus long E. I want to live here versus I want to leave here. Short A versus long Ah. This is a hat versus this is a heart.
Moving on to mistake number 2, not pronouncing the th sound correctly.
The dreaded TH. Many learners replace it with an F sound, a V sound, or sometimes a T or D sound depending on their native language. For example, think becomes think or tink. This becomes dis.
Voiceless th. Thank you very much. Versus I think it's a good idea. Incorrect. Voiceless th. I need to go to the bath versus I need to go to the path. Different meaning. Voiced th. This is my brother versus dis is my brother. Incorrect.
And mistake number 4 for today, incorrect word stress.
This is often overlooked, but it's crucial. In English, we stress certain syllables in a word. If you stress the wrong syllable, the word can be hard to understand or even sound like a different word.
Noun versus verb. He gave me a present, meaning gift, versus I want to present the report, to give. Noun versus verb. Let's listen to the record, music album, versus please record the meeting, to tape. Word stress. Photo versus photography. The stress shifts.
Mistake number 5, not pronouncing silent letters.
English is tricky because many words have letters that you don't actually say. If you pronounce them, it sounds very unnatural. Silent K. I know the answer, not kno. Silent L. You should go, not should. Silent B. I need to climb the mountain, not climb. Silent H. It's a really honest opinion, not honest.
And finally, mistake number 6, not linking words, connected speech.
Native speakers don't always say every word separately. We link words together, especially when one word ends with a consonant and the next starts with a vowel. If you don't link, your speech can sound choppy.
Linking. I want an apple. Sounds like wanton. Linking. He picked it up. Sounds like pick it up. Linking. What time is it? Sounds like time is it.
These 6 mistakes, if corrected, will make a massive difference in how clear and confident you sound. Don't be afraid to exaggerate the sounds when you practice.
That's a wrap for day 5. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for day 6, where we'll reveal the secret to using filler words effectively to sound more natural.
And if you're still struggling with your general pronunciation, we recommend you go back and listen to episode 18, Transform Your B2 English, 10 Adverbs to Boost Your English.
See you next time.